In this video, we will disable Windows Update, and if you find it helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It's very simple to do. All you have to do is search up services and open up the services app. And to disable the Windows updates, all you have to do is go to Windows Updates at the bottom, or you could type W on your keyboard and it will bring you down here where you'll find the Windows Update service. So you just have to scroll down a bit and you'll see it right here. So this Windows Update service, all you have to do is go to the properties and startup type as disabled. Once you hit apply and OK, Windows will never update for you automatically. So you don't have to worry about your computer restarting randomly. It will be good to go. So there you go. Very simple, very easy. That is how you disable the Windows updates.